Oh, talk about a shot, baby. Oh, come on. You know, a driver fireman's got enough of a job stressing out about driving, not crashing into anything, and imagine in a snowstorm. Looks like a rescue unit. Thought it was an ambulance at first. He wasn't hitting that federal. Old Impala there, kind of fitting. Yeah, right here on COTE Boulevard. Where, as you can see, things are not as status quo so much, eh? The fucking grade is so steep right here on the northern direction that a lot of cars are just spinning, especially rear-wheel drive vehicles like that scrap there, and a BMW and the Cadillac that was in front of it.